In this video, we are going to install and integrate Gemma for E2B from Google with Hermes-Agent. You can see that we already have covered all of these 4 flavors of Gemma 4 in great detail, from local installation to thorough testing with all modalities, plus the fine-tuning on your own local data. This video is all about Hermes-Agent and how it reacts to this Gemma for E2B instruction tuned on various modalities. By the way, we already have shown you how you can get it integrated with OpenClaw. So let's get right into it. I am going to use this Ubuntu system. I have one GPU card, NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable price like me, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. First up, either install or upgrade your vLLM because this is only supported in the latest version. I already have vLLM installed, so I just upgraded it with a simple pip command. If you want to learn more about this vLLM, you can simply go and check my channel where we have covered it very thoroughly. To confirm the version of vLLM, just run this command. This is going to show you which version is supported. That's also done. Let's download this Google's Gemma model. I'm just going to use a local folder and I'm going to use this Hugging Face repo. Let's run this. And by the way, of course, you can use any other model from this family if you are interested. By the way, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. Also, we have covered Hermes-Agent a lot on the channel. It is another agentic harness which supports a lot of features and trying to position itself as competitor to OpenClaw. I'm not going to go into the detail of Hermes-Agent, but check them out. I already have done more than 20 videos in the last few days on this new agentic harness. And the model is downloaded. Let's now serve it locally with vLLM. And the command is simple, where we are serving this model from our local system. And then we are just going to use this local port 8000. This is our context window. We can decrease it if it is consuming too much VRAM. And then we are enabling tool calls. And this is our GPU memory utilization. So let's run this. Model is being downloaded, and you can also see that you might also see some errors appearing, but don't worry because this is a bleeding edge. They have just added the support for this Gemma 4 into vLLM, but most of it is working. Some modalities might not work, but all you need to do is to just upgrade your vLLM in next to 2-3 days again, and then they will go away. But nonetheless, it will still work. So you can see that the model has been loaded, taking under 8 GB of VRAM. This is where I'm talking about. So let's wait for it to complete its serving. And there you go, the model is now being served. Let's open another terminal window. And now we are going to install the Hermes-Agent with this single liner. Let me run this. It is going to check all the prerequisites and then it might ask us few questions. So let's wait. So this is where you can set up your model provider and model and terminal backend. It is asking me if I want to import something from OpenClaw, which is already installed. I'm not doing that. And this is where you would need to configure your own endpoint or vLLM. So I'm just going to select this custom endpoint and press enter. It is asking for base URL. This is my base URL where we are already serving this vLLM based Google model. Just leave API key blank, and it is asking me that it already has detected this model. So this is a new, otherwise we had to put it in manually earlier. So I'm just going to say yes and auto detect because we already have mentioned that in our vLLM command. Now it is asking for some random stuff. I'm just going to keep everything local and just keep pressing enter for all of these default values. And there are quite a lot of them. I'm not configuring any channel like Telegram or WhatsApp. If you are interested in doing that, just go to my channel and search with videos which I have done with Telegram, and same process for all the other channels. So I'm just going to select all of these, and again just go with default, local is fine, and then just press enter, skip, again just skip, unless you want to configure it by yourself, and everything looks good. You would need to source your shell so that everything takes effect. Let me run this. That's done. Let's clear it. Okay, sorry. And if I just check the version, it should show me the latest version of everything. So everything looks good here. But if you want to be extra cautious, you can check this config, and you will see that it is telling you that your model is now this locally running Gemma for E2B. And we can launch our Hermes agent by simply running Hermes. And Hermes is launched. As you can see, it has already preloaded some of the 70 plus skills. And this is our Gemma 4 model running. You can start asking it a question. So I'm just starting with, why do farmers in Vietnam wear those iconic conical straw hats while working in the rice paddies or fields? So let's see. It is going to tell us the language and all that stuff. It is looking up the information. It's a general knowledge. It is researching. I think it is using its own tool behind the scene with the help of this model. And if you are interested in checking out the model VRAM consumption plus the KV cache and stuff, it is consuming 43 GB of VRAM at the moment as it runs. And there you go. It has given us the answer that this hat is called as non-la. I'm sure I'm not pronouncing it right, but anyway, it is worn by farmers, and it has given me quite a good answer, like for sun protection, rain, and all that stuff. Cultural identity too. So pretty good. Okay, next up, I have asked the model that if it can handle audio natively, Hermes, that if it can handle audio natively, but Hermes doesn't have any native audio pass through to the model. So I could install some TTS, but I don't really want to do that because this video is mostly focused on the model. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to exit from Hermes. Now you know how to integrate it with Hermes. So what I'm going to do, I will let my vLLM running, but I will access it through the endpoint from my Python code to show you its audio capabilities. So this is the audio test which I'm doing on various languages, and I have selected quite a few of them, and I'm asking it to simply just go and then give me the transcription. This model supports more than 100 languages. So, and these represent most of the languages from across the world. Now, before I run it, I also want to request you guys that if someone is interested in their language, just record a very small under 10-second audio if you're interested, and then send it to me with, of course, your consent that I can use it in the videos. That would be great, because many people have asked me if they could send me. There is a contact form, contact me, and then either reach out through X, and I'll be happy to use your audio in your language, of course, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so let's go back and let's run this. I'm just going to clean this. While I run this, I'm also going to play some of the audios in some of the languages. So let me run this, and in the background, I will be playing in different languages. And you would have to check in your language.
Happiness is a fleeting feeling that can be found in life's simplest moments. A warm conversation with a loved one, a beautiful sunset, or a good cup of coffee can instantly lift our mood. It's a state of mind that can be cultivated through gratitude, mindfulness, and self-care. By focusing on the present and letting go of worries, we can unlock a more joyful and fulfilling life.
Okay, so this was English, but rest of them are a bit smaller. So let me play this, and I will scroll down here.
Kanał Farda jest tak popularny w Polsce. Nie mogę się doczekać, żeby codziennie oglądać jego filmy.
The order is not correct. But
Счастье — это мимолетное чувство, которое можно найти в самых простых моментах жизни. Теплый разговор с любимым человеком, красивый закат или хорошая чашка кофе могут мгновенно поднять наше настроение. Это состояние ума, которое можно развивать через благодарность, осознанность и заботу о себе. Сосредоточиваясь на настоящем,
this was Russian. Let's do Spanish a bit.
La felicidad es un sentimiento fugaz que se puede encontrar en los momentos más simples de la vida. Una conversación cálida con un ser querido, una hermosa puesta de sol o una buena taza de café pueden levantar.
Let me play Swahili.
Hujambo, tafadhali penda video hii. Jisajili kwenye chaneli hii na uwe mwanachama kuonyesha msaada.
Let's play Hindi.
बाजार में गरम गरम समोसे और चाय की खुशबू से भरा माहौल था, जहां रंग बिरंगी साड़ियों में औरतें सब्जियां खरीद रही थीं।
Let's do Urdu.
शाम के वक्त चाय की प्याली लेकर छत पर बैठे और दौर से आने वाली कवाली की आवाज सुनते रहे।
I think this is where it made a bit of a mistake in one of the word. It's not door, it's tur. Anyway, let me know what do you think about your particular language in terms of transcription. Next up, I'm testing the multimodality for image, and I'm going to give it this image, and I'm asking it in the code that this is a newspaper image. Please extract and list all the headlines, then summarize the main story in 3 sentences. Let's go back and run this. Let me run this. Let's see the speed too. Wow, look at this, how quick that was. Let me show you the image. So this is a main headline. Cyclone kills 50, leaves Darwin devastated. It's a very old newspaper from New Zealand Herald. Then it is talking about, now this is where it has visible text. Okay, so because this is not the headline, the New Zealand Herald, it's the name of the paper. And then it is talking about, and she still slept. But it says, and she still slept. Mystery YM, where is Mystery YM? And pocket of air savior, it's air saved boy, so there's a mistake. It's not perfect, but it has tried. And then it is talking about a summary of the main story, which is correct. Okay, so not bad for this size of edge model, I guess. It's a hard one. So that's it. That's Gemma for E2B running fully locally, text, vision, and audio all on a single GPU connected to our good old friend Hermes-Agent for autonomous capabilities. A 2 billion effective parameter model doing things that would have required a much larger model just few months back. If you found this useful, please hit that subscribe button and also follow me on X and check out all of these videos for this family, and stay tuned. We will be covering them more from different angles. Thank you for all the support.